Rolling high. Understanding high roller in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have heard in movies, songs, or even in everyday conversation. The phrase is, to be a high roller. But what does it mean, and how can you use it correctly? Let's roll into the details and find out. Remember, understanding these phrases can really help you enhance your English fluency and comprehend native speakers more easily. First things first, let's break down the phrase, high roller. A high roller is someone who gambles large amounts of money. But it's not just limited to the world of gambling. The term has expanded to describe someone who spends large amounts of money in general, often in a way that's showy or seeks to impress others. In everyday conversation, calling someone a high roller can be a nod to their wealth, willingness to spend a lot, or their lavish lifestyle. It's often used in both positive and negative contexts, depending on the speaker's perspective and the situation. Now that you know what a high roller is, let's see how to use it in sentences. This will help you get comfortable with its application and enhance your conversational skills. 1. Positive context. At the charity auction, John was a real high roller, donating more than anyone else. 2. Negative context. Lisa loves being seen as a high roller, but her extravagant spending is just for show. 3. Neutral context. In Las Vegas, high rollers are often given complimentary suites and other perks. Understanding the context in which you're using the term is crucial. It can convey admiration, critique, or simply be a descriptive observation. The concept of a high roller is deeply embedded in certain cultures, especially where gambling and wealth are significant elements of society. In places like Las Vegas, for example, high rollers are treated with a level of prestige and receive various luxuries. This cultural phenomenon reflects the broader societal views on wealth, success, and the allure of risk-taking. Exploring the cultural significance can help learners appreciate the nuances of English and understand how language reflects societal values and practices. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, to be a high roller. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what it means, how to use it, and its place in English-speaking cultures. Remember, learning these phrases not only boosts your vocabulary but also helps you grasp the cultural context, which is invaluable for language learners. Thank you for watching, and we hope you continue to roll high on your journey to mastering English. See you in the next video.